So these Foxeer antennas are pretty indestructible. However, sometimes the ends squash down a bit like this and the end turns, so you think it might be loose. So how you can repair them is to stick a Stanley knife carefully in the end without cutting your fingers off, and then just prise the end off like so. And what you can see is that this bit is actually squashed down slightly. So if you just push it up like so, you'll get a much clearer reception, and you can locate these little pieces in these little slots so it won't spin. Not that that makes a lot of difference. You can actually hot glue them down so it won't spin, but to be honest, it's not really worth the effort. So we can turn that like so. If I can get it to go around. Let's try the other way. One of them's not quite down right. Let's get it around. This one here is stuck down. There we go. Right, and then just push them back down to locate them in the slots. That will stop it spinning, and then just check that these are all up about the same angle. Yeah, and then pop the lid back on. There are some little slots here which need to go back on these bits. So you can turn it until you fill the slot and then just clip it down, and your video reception will be clear again.